Is my screen visible to all? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please pay your attention. One 79, 180, 181,
Present, ma'am.
182, 187, 188, 190, 191, 192,
Present, ma'am.
193,
Present, ma'am.
194,
Present, ma'am.
95, 196, 197,
Present, ma'am.
198,
Present, ma'am.
199,
Present, ma'am.
201,
Present, ma'am.
202, Angela is there, but why is she not speaking her attendance?
I'm present, ma'am. It was network issue.
Okay, then you have to send me a message, no? Otherwise, you will be absent.
Okay.
This happened to you before as well, right, Angela? What is your
Yeah.
number?
187.
You have to tell me, or you can just message.
Okay.
Aditya is also present, right? 202,
Present, ma'am.
203,
Present, ma'am.
204, 205, 206,
Present, ma'am.
207, 208,
Present, ma'am.
209, 210, 211,
Present, ma'am.
212,
Present, ma'am.
213,
Present.
214,
Present, ma'am.
215, 216, 217,
Present, ma'am.
181, 7220,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
okay, let me repeat absent students number 216 Michael, 215 Aminullah, 210 Urvashi, 207 Nishar, 205 Vivek, 204 Vaibhav, 191 Deepak,
Present, ma'am.
190 Forstin, 188 Huso, 182 Mansoor, 180 Chiven, 179 Dawa. These many students are absent today. So let's continue our practical. So you have to complete this lab manual that I have already given to you before many days, and you have to complete up to exercise number 50 up to here. Frame set tag and nested frame set tag. So up to exercise number 49, not 50, up to 49 you have to complete, right? So most of the exercise that we have done in our class only, remaining it would be similar. Okay, say for example I have given you the code of 2 to 3 frame set. Then from that code you can create these definitions. 45, 46, these all are the similar definition, 47, right? So in every lab session we will do practical only. I will be available here. If you have any issue, then you have to share your screen and you can ask me. So all these things we have already done. You have to submit this lab manual to me on 9th of January that we have already discussed, which is coming Saturday. At that time you have to submit your practical work to me. How will you submit? You have to prepare an indexed file just like this, right? You have to write all these definitions and you have to give the link of this, the code of this definition. When I will click on exercise number 5, then that particular output should open in next window. So I will check your practical work like this. You have to create a table. Inside the table you have to put all the link of the definition. So is there anybody in the class who has done all these definitions? Is there anybody? You can just send a message. Okay, so not a single student is there who has done all the exercise. Okay, Maria has done. Very good, Maria. So I am sharing the link with you here only. You have to submit. You have to create a folder, a RAR file, where you will put all your definitions, and that you have to submit on this particular link. Okay. Remaining student, you can start your definition right now. I will be available here only. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Is there anybody who wants to ask anything? All right, so you can start your practical now. And I am sharing the link and the format, in which format you have to create your RAR file. That also I will share in this chat box.